everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the National Duo Cooking Competition Mombasa edition. We are proudly sponsored by Pembe Flour. We are so glad to have them on board. We are just waiting for them to arrive. But let me tell you this, we have our auditions right now, right here starting. It's already on from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have our participants also here with us, and we cannot wait to taste their amazing dishes. Our judges are back there so busy, literally having their own discussions and conversations, trying to find out how they're going to judge our participants. But let me tell you, this is not to be missed. Na kama hauko, fika sahi.
Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Abemi Kwano Mbala Musiza. Today is the 10th of August and we are here at the Mombasa County doing the first auditions at Mombasa Dishes. Now NDCC is proudly sponsored by Pembe. Pembe Poa, Ladha Poa. And as our mantra that goes, be phenomenal or be forgotten. This is what is going to tell all our participants who are going to be here and all the judges as well. Be phenomenal or be forgotten.